Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the registry errors on your Windows. So this can be applicable for both your Windows 10 and your Windows 11. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar right here, type CMD, which stands for command prompt. Then you have to click on run as administrator in the right pane. Now here, simply type this command sfc space / scan now. It's sfc space / scan now. Hit enter. So this will scan for and repair system corrupt files, check for any integrity violations. So the process will start from 1%, and once this is completed, then you just can simply close out of here. But if this is not yet completed, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize but do not close. And once this is completed, then you just have to close here. In the Windows search bar again, type CMD, click on run as administrator. Now here, type this command dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. It's dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. Then you have to hit on enter. So this process will repair your Windows image, and this process will also take some time. There is no specific duration for this. So while the process is still going on, do not close the window. You can just simply minimize but do not close it. And here is a tip: if you are getting stuck at a certain percentage, then do not close the window. You can just continuously press the space key on your keyboard. That might help you. So you just need to wait for that. And once this is completed, then just simply close out of here. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the final method, click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on system. Scroll down and you'll find recovery. In here, you'll find this option, reset this PC. Click on it. But here's the thing: before you can go on with this method, make sure to back up everything, all your personal files, apps, and settings. Make sure to back up all of that. Then you have to click on remove everything. Then you can go on or click with the cloud download, and that will reset your PC. And after that, you just need to sign in again, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.